The desire to study at the exact same university with Amy completely changed Jason, who used to be so reckless. He cut himself off from the world of internet and gaming and made books his only companions. His room was now like a study laboratory, with walls covered in essential notes. Whenever his confidence shattered, the thought of Amy would fill his heart with a fresh surge of energy. Meanwhile, a college bully started harassing Amy. Trying to protect Amy, Jason would often end up in fistfights with that guy. One day, after getting injured in one such fight, Jason went to Amy, hoping would she praise his courage, but Amy, expressing deep disappointment, said, "There is absolutely no difference between those power-hungry thugs and Jason." This eye-opening moment shook Jason to his core, and he promised that he would never choose the path of violence again. A few days later, that same bully, trying to provoke Jason, poured a carton of milk right over his head. Jason's blood boiled. But remembering his promise, he controlled his rage, and instead of fighting, he threw down a challenge to defeat him in a swimming match. Seeing this mature decision from Jason, Amy's respect for him instantly grew. To win this challenge, Jason worked day and night. During the day, he would visualize new swimming techniques, and in the dead of night, he practiced for hours alone in the pool. Amy would also frequently come by quietly, watching his dedication and boosting his morale. Finally, the day of the showdown arrived. Driven by his sheer hard work, Jason took an early lead, and Amy stood up, cheering for him with pure joy. But due to his lack of experience, even after giving it his absolute all, Jason lost the race in the final moments. That arrogant guy. Just as he stepped forward to mock Jason, Amy, holding 2 ice creams, came running straight towards Jason. She smiled and told him that today he broke past his old limits and proved himself to be a better human being. Then she took Jason's hand and, completely ignoring that bully, walked away happily with him. In that moment, everyone standing there realized that true victory is not about winning a race, but about mastering your own anger and making yourself better.